Guys, I was trying to play DAYZ, but looks like there is a special event going on. That's why we can't able to play the game right now. So let me show you what's the exact situation right now. Heading over to the down detector, you can see few people are reporting there is a outage into the DAYZ, and the reason is server connection error. Yeah, granted, server connection is the issue, but the primary cause is something different. Checking onto their Twitter page, DAYZ, here you can see they got recent tweet, and here you can see this is just 3 hours ago, and they have said they are deploying hotfix for both PC and consoles today. And here's the plan. So PC servers will go down at 13 CEST and console servers at 14 CEST, and this will approximately take 1 hour. And basically they got patch notes right over here for both PC and consoles, and this is the tweet just done 58 minutes ago. And you can see release time of console servers has been delayed and ETA is approx for 20 minutes. And 1 hour ago you can see PC servers are back, console servers are going down now. This is the thing, guys. You can see as per their statement, console servers are being maintained and the server maintenance is going right now. And here you can see this is the recent patch note. They have fixed this following things: server crash related to vehicles, and Derringer was missing reload sound, Derringer not displayed ejected shells, also got stuck in the walking speed after dying while in inventory. And what is changed? Well, M79 launcher can no longer jam, also slightly increase resistance to the building and wooden walls against the explosive damage. And you can check all the details. I have given link in the description below. They have done lots of new updates in this patch. So there it is, guys. You saw the patch notes. They are doing some great changes, and that's why server are in the maintenance stage right now. You just have to wait a little bit. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and this is Kedar from How to Guys signing out.